Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to look over templates and tabs for your Facebook page. My name is Rita, I'm a digital marketer, and if in the end of this video you're still going to have any questions, you can shoot me an email. Facebook can be overwhelming sometimes because it has so many different types of categories and options that you can choose from. So let's organize all of it for templates and tabs on your Facebook page. In order to change or add more tabs to your Facebook page, you need to go to Settings. And on your left, you have Templates and Tabs. Right here, you can choose the template that Facebook offers you by clicking here on Edit. You have Service template, Shopping, you have Businesses, Venues, Non-profit, Politicians, Restaurants and Cafes, Video pages, and Standard. I will tell you a little secret. It actually doesn't matter which one you're going to choose because you can edit it and customize it as you want in the end. So it actually doesn't matter. You can start with choosing Standard template just by clicking here and clicking on Apply Template. Then, if you're going to scroll down, you will have all of those different tabs that are right now available for your page. You can add a new tab by clicking on Add a tab and choosing additional tabs that are not yet available on your page. For example, I can choose to add a Shop tab or a Jobs tab. And just close this for now since I don't need it. I can edit pretty much all of those tabs by going into their settings. I will click Settings right here, and for Video tab, all I can do here is just copy its URL. Since it's a default tab on any Facebook page, I cannot turn it off. For posts, it's the same thing. I can't turn this off, and this tab is always available on my page. What I can do, I can switch places between tabs. As you can see here, 3 lines. I just click on it and I can drag it down here, and that way I'm making my Videos tab first and my second tab is going to be Posts. Let me return it right here. For photos, I cannot manipulate that tab either since it's a default tab, but for reviews, I can turn it on or turn it off. If I don't want to show reviews on my page, I simply switch it off and click Save. About tab, this is also a default tab that I need to keep on my page, so no manipulation here. Groups, you're certainly correct. I can turn it off as well. Turn it off, click Save. Community, I can't change it, it's a default tab here, but if you don't really want to use it, I suggest to move it down just to the bottom right here so that it will be the last tab everyone looks at. So if you don't want to use it, just move it down. For YouTube tab, this is my extra tab. I actually added it to Facebook. You can't choose it from here, from Add tabs. As you can see, it's just Notes, Offers, Live, and Jobs and Shop, as you saw previously. I will show you how to add a customized tab in my next video. Then I have Events. I can switch it off if I am not using it, since not every page on Facebook can use events. Sometimes it's irrelevant, so I can just switch it off. Shops, as you guessed, I'm just switching it off and I'm clicking on Save, and it disappeared from my list. For Jobs tab is the same thing. By clicking on Settings, if I don't think it's relevant and it's not supposed to be on my page, I just turn it off and click on Save, and I do not see it anymore. So basically, you can customize and play with your tabs as you wish. This is how you do it. You don't have any other save buttons here. If you go into settings and turn on or turn off settings and click on save, or go to add a tab and just click on add a tab, this tab will automatically appear here. You don't need to do anything else. It's already on your Facebook page, and if you click on refresh button, you're going to see it appear. Thank you for listening. If you have any more questions, please leave a comment below or just send me a message.